Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. It's Monday, right? Welcome back to my channel. How's your weekend? Oh, okay. Well, I start a little early today. We still got 46 people here. Still great. Is the sound all right? Because I put the microphone a little bit further today. Good morning, Carrie. Extra. Hakim Chase. Sai143 Cool. Kevin. God Daddy. Five Handles. Carrie-san, good morning. Good morning. A-Cell Core. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it. Daniel Trader. AAMX. Pre-4682. Table. A. Shams. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning. I feel like I'm just keep on moving with this chair. I try to stay calm. Maybe I should change to another chair, right? How's your weekend? Did you guys go to the Perform Expo in London? I saw a lot of photos on Twitter and Instagram. Mark had just straight up yeah, I know. I'm trying to find entry point right now. After seeing all those photos, I'm actually glad I didn't go to Perform Expo in London because like it looks like a mess. I mean, well, I didn't go to there. I don't know what's the like reality is, but like I heard that you have to line up 2 hours outside of that like exhibition center under the sun with 40 degrees Celsius just to get in, which is insane. I mean, like line up for 2 hours is like it's not good, but still acceptable. But it's like lining up under the sun and it's fucking hot there. There's no aircon at all. That is a big problem. I mean, if I were there, I would just leave. I won't even want to get in for real. I would I would have been the only one there with perfume. And you know what? I don't see many female traders there. I mean, there are female traders, but not many. Like what I saw in the photos. So I feel like that's not something I'm looking for. That's not an event that I would love to go. Which I'm so glad I didn't go right now. But I think probably because this is the first time for them for Perform Match to hold such a big event. So, next time they will do better. I'm so sure. Probably no one shower before they went. I think they all shower, but like after lying up for 2 hours, oh my god, you need another shower, obviously. So, anyone's in the trade right now? Man, we keep on going up. This is shit. So, I look at the higher time frame. So, we got a daily FUG here, right? Price go down, reach a daily order block, go back, touch this daily FUG and go down again. But the funny thing is like for yes, there's still a relative equal high on the daily time frame, which is the 24th and 25th of June, the daily high of June. So yeah. So I think price probably go there. Um, at the moment, I think in high time frame price going to this liquidity pool. Also, this one. This is so smooth, right? This is so smooth. But we can ignore if we switch to 15 minutes time frame. This is just so obvious, right? We all see it. Obviously, not only me, right? I believe you all see it. All those sell side equity here. So to be honest, I would definitely love to long to this high, or even higher. But like, you need to give me some manipulation like first. Without manipulation, like it's not like I can long. Of course, I can long. I can still scalp something, but like, why would I do that? Like, why would I do that? Why would I, like, risk such a low probability trade just for, I don't know, capture just a little bit? Probably not a good idea, right? Before London Open, I want to see like how price react with the MNO. I was thinking maybe we get some retracement after hitting MNO, which is not the case. Which is not the case. We passed the Asia high, obviously, on both sides, on both US and Q. And this one is the relative equal high that I'm talking about on ES. Oh, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Can you explain how to use macros? I don't use macros. I try to use it, but like, I feel that's not what I'm looking for. Because like they get a time window for macros, right? So before the macros, you shouldn't get in. You should wait for the macros for like the whole theory for macros. That is how it works. But no, no, that's just not what I want to use. Because the time window is just so small. I would rather use silver bullet in that case. And just in case you guys like sometimes misunderstand the silver bullet, it's actually silver bullet is aiming for 10 to 20 points. Yes, it's not like aiming for 100 points. So can you find his silver bullet on those time window? For sure you can. Like 20 points, you can definitely find something like that, right? Even for a London session. Right now, like I'm high time frame bullish, but like I would love to see some manipulation down first. So right now I can't long. I can't take any long position. Do you like Jay? You know what? Today I guess should get ready because last time you said you know someone in Black Label, right? Look what I bring today. I don't know if you recognize this, man. If you bring me to this, seriously, I would definitely fly to Korea right now. I get ready for this. Man, I just went to this concert last week, But I think you probably don't know which idol group is that, right? I will when I get a WJ, I will take it out. Right now, I'll just put it aside. Oh, you do recognize it? Really? Oh my god. Yes, it's about to. Oh yeah, previous data here. Yes. Do you trade US hours? Sometimes, not every day. But don't worry, you can definitely make a lot of money for just trading London session. I think let me see. I think I can trade mini today. Mm, let me see. Like, every time after I take a trade on micros like MNQ, I mean, even though that's a W, I still feel awful. I'm not kidding. It's just really awful. I mean, like, so I spent like 2.5 hours on live stream just to make what, few $100. I mean, yeah, I'm copy trading, but still, like, what? Like, I was thinking, like, what am I doing? It's still so hard for me to like adapt to the MNQ role. Oh my god, Jay, seriously? The CEOs of Black Label. Oh, come on. How come? Because you guys are the or I don't know, from the US? This is London session. Yeah, of course. Like, this is London Q Zone. London Q Zone start at 2 a.m. while the official London Open start at 3 a.m. Base hit. Base hit for points. For me, base hit like 20 to 30 points is base hit for me. Let me see. Oh, we didn't sweep this one. Well, it's so close for ES to hit the high. Um, can you please sweep this liquidity first? I want to short right now. Come on, this kind of too early. This is probably just a retracement. Invite chat and live stream for us. I'll make a vlog, okay? If I ever go to visit you, I'll make a vlog. Is that good? Oh my god. Seriously? Oh. Which one? Which one are you talking about? Is that the... I don't know. Because I those Filipino always tell me that I look like Filipino. Like, I at least hear about it for over 10 times. Like, they actually talk with me in Filipino. I was like, what were you talking about? Like, they just assume I'm Filipino and just talk to me in that language. I think I probably look like a little bit like Southeast Asian. Is that the case? I didn't get into this short because, like, to be honest, I have no idea this is a retracement or really a manipulation. Like, because, like, Look at the high here. We didn't sweep this one on NQ, and we still got one previous daily low, daily high on ES. Yeah, I mean like yes, this sweep this high, but it's just so close. It's like one point to the previous daily high. So, I'm not sure if this is the manipulation that we're looking for. But yeah, this is bearish S&P with ES right now. Wow, it's just so just like what Michael said, like if you're in doubt, just stay the fuck out. So right now I stay out. I stay sideline. Retracement or reversal? I have no idea. Okay. I mean, I don't have a magic or what. I don't know. If I don't know, then I'll stay sideline, right? I don't have to force myself to take trades. I want to see how price react with NNO. Yeah, that's his from Michaels, okay? You know, he always got some funny, interesting statement, which is good. Oh, come on. Why? This is shit. I hate this. No, this is a chap. I will wait for MNO. This is a chap. I think this is a chat because I I get FOMO all the time with this MNO key level, right? So no. Okay, good. But seriously, I don't know how to make the live stream to become more interesting or exciting stream. It's so hard. Like, what am I supposed to do to make it funny? But trading is boring, you know that, right? Trading is such a boring thing. It's not funny at all. I didn't use any FUG indicator. I draw it manually with this one, with the rectangle. I just use this to manually draw something. Because sometimes, after price turn the FUG into inversion, I will want to put it still. I don't want to just delete it. But if it's indicator, you have to delete it all or turn all the inversions into a new PD array. I don't know what I'm talking about. More rare fancy gases or clothes. I mean, my clothes are from H&M, so sorry that it's not fancy at all. It's just from H&M. And Sarah? The haters made the stream funny, but they all laugh. Because they don't have anything new. Probably will make up something, I don't know, some rumors. Or some like they're like writing a new fiction book, right? Change my hair color. Uh, wait, last time you guys tell me to stay with black, isn't it? I think it's okay to stay with black for a few months. I'm still okay. Oh yeah, today we got Lucid giveaway. Yeah, your favorite prop from Lucid is back. So today we don't do aqua futures anymore, but like aqua futures is good. I mean, like it's not bad compared to some other prop firms, which I don't want to name the names. I think I just get in. This is a quite aggressive Anshi. Because like the range is quite large, and right now I'm already using 23 point stop loss. So, you know, if I'm wrong, then it's okay. Like I just got stopped out. But if I'm right, then I have to wait until here to get in. Probably need 40 point stop loss. Don't copy my trades. All right. Not financial advice. I'm just shading my own personal account here. Okay. Whatever happens, it's on me because I'm gonna lose my own money. But don't copy my chase. I don't know why I can't sit still. I just keep on moving. Okay, I shouldn't sit with this chair. I feel like. Well, to be honest, I would say like this midpoint of the gap is probably the best take partial point. I'm a little bit higher from the midpoint of this gap, this bearish FVG. But like because it's 30 points from the entry point, if I take partial here, it would be like 20 points. Then it would be 1-1. Right now, I'll try my stop loss a little bit. Under 15 seconds. 15 seconds? Oh no, I can try a little bit too. Yeah, under 30 seconds, bullish order block. So right now my stop will be like around, I don't know, 20 points. Less than 20 points. $17 points. So just like what you asked me, like, is it a retracement or reversal? So at first I have no idea. Right now I have no idea too, but like in my mind I feel like it's more like retracement compared to reversal. Of course I'm here. I can be wrong. Don't copy my chase. Don't copy my chase. Not financial advice here, alright? I'm just trading my own account. Are you aiming for VI for TP1? No, I'm just like around 50% of this range. It's kind of like a psychological level. So when we take half position size on the halfway, so no matter what happened, I mean, I won't feel bad because like if price keep on going up, I would say, okay, thanks God, I still got half position size for 50% of the range. If not, if price going down to my, I don't know, stop out, then I would say like, thanks God, I already get myself 50% out. So I learned it from Mark Minafini, the VCP master. When I was doing swing trading with the VCP trading strategy. And I find it very good for taking parcel. Smaller wet. This is the volume imbalance plus the FVG here. Yes, not looking good right now. Yes, feel like slowing down. But NQs keep on going. Right now, we just hit the midpoint of this gap. Oh, great. After hitting the midpoint, just retrace. Okay, great. Awesome, awesome. Wow. Wonderful. Yeah. But you know, I just love how precise it is. Like exactly the midpoint, exactly this key level. You guys can see what happened, right? Just by hitting the midpoint, just a long wick down here, man. Do you ever blow evals? Of course. I broke funder accounts too, man. Of course I broke a lot of accounts. And with pop firm, this is normal. Like you're gonna trade pop firms like that. Because we are taking advantage of their leverage. That we use like maybe $60 in exchange for 50K account, which is 2,000 Jordan, right? So I'm paying $60 in exchange for $2,000. So we are actually benefiting with this huge leverage, a large leverage. Kind of slow. Would it be correct to say you charted the small wet FUG because of the continuation from the initial? What are you talking about? No, just I mean when there's a volume imbalance and FUG together, you combine it. That's all. There's nothing special. 2 points left. 2 points left. Come on, Ankyl. Come on. Do you trade the seconds chart? Of course. I am actually monitoring the 15 seconds and 30 seconds chart on my second screen. But I monitor it on TraderView or Ninja Trader because TradingView is laggy. I mean, if you want to see the seconds chart, you probably want to see like every move, right? Which you can do it on TradingView. Alright. Hustle. I'll move my stop loss to break even now. It's a little bit too early, but baby, this is live stream, baby. I mean, if I'm trading on my own, no, I wouldn't trail my stop loss that early. But like, oh my god, I'm on live stream, so yeah, I will trail my stop. I'll change it to 1 though. W, yeah, W. It's definitely a W. I mean, I already take 1 contract out, and my stop loss is above my entry point. So for sure, no matter what happens, this is gonna be a W for sure. But like this is a huge bearish FUG, so it's like an internal liquidity. Just yes, slowing down. I don't like it. And we are actually creating a lot of sell side liquidity here. But you know, I only take half. The MNO is the midnight opening price. So it is the 12 New York time, 12 o'clock. We still got 30 points left. Well, Who knows, right? But to be honest, today I'm trading NQ, right? I feel a lot better. I feel a lot better just by trading NQ. It's so hard to switch to M and Q. Chat, remember to subscribe and click the like button. If you're in this trade, if you take something out or get in on the way, you can post a chat in Discord. So as your trade, so as your entry. What? I don't know. Oh my God, Jay, is that a good statement? I don't know. Oh! Right now our candle body is still staying inside of this gap, so we may get some manipulation because like we have a lot of minor sell-side liquidity here. So even though I put my stop loss here, like as break even, didn't mean that you can close your whole position, alright? If you, for example, you have to take a payout tomorrow, or you get something, you get some daily living costs you have to pay, right? Some bills, you should probably take all position out right now. You don't have to wait for price to hit your break even. You forgot to cheer with the light thing. I was waiting for the whole TP. I'm still have conviction. Because like my original trading plan was like, ES didn't sweep this previous daily high and NQ didn't sweep all those high, right, in high time frame. So I feel like this is a retracement back to MNO and then go up again to sweep the high. So that was the plan. That's why I long here with this IFUG. So I just feel like, but yeah, who knows? Maybe there's a manipulation and I got stopped out. Because this is quite an aggressive break-even point. Baby, this is NQ. What is it? 1 mini or this is NQ. I think I saw all here, right? This is NQ. You can see it here, and this is NQ. You can see it here. We got a very small bearish volume imbalance here. It's so small, but it's doing its thing. I mean, it's rejecting price. If you can, like, this here, so small, but it did reject price. Yes, moving so slow. You need to go there right now because we are creating more and more sell-side liquidity here right now. So if you don't go up to this buy side, we probably have a huge manipulation leg down. Yeah, it's inverted. Right now, this is a very valid IFVG. Around 10 points left. You see that? Oh my god! Yeah, yeah. We can light it. We can turn on the light now. Yes, yeah, yeah. W, give me W. Haha. Yes. Okay, let me close the sell order first. Alright, alright. This is like 1,800. Okay, not bad. Not bad. For the first trade of the first day of this trading week. That's quite good. No, this is not IVE, okay? This is not IVE. Come on, come on. I know it's not new group, so you guys don't like it, right? Come on. Yeah. Okay, I can put it down. I think... Yeah. I mean, I don't have a money gun. I mean, so all I have is a light stick. So this is the only thing I can use. So good. Okay, who took this trade? Who took it? Who took it together? I know I said don't copy my trades. I mean, for disclaimer, I have to do this, okay? I can't tell you just copy me. I will get caught, like, I will go to jail if I say something like that. So, who took it? Who took it? Tell me. Awesome, yeah. Yes, and we got great risk reward ratio here, right? 1 to 2.7, and I trail my stop loss. So after I trail it here, it's 1 to 3. But you know, I will just use my original one. Even for the initial stop loss, it's 1 to 2.7. It's quite good. It's quite good. Oh, cool. You hatch with me. You hatch with me. But yeah, sometimes you guys hatch with me, but you are the W, right? So it's okay. Are you a IFVG trader? Yes. But I also use like FVG and order block and volume imbalance. I don't use breaker. I don't use the medication block or the proportion block. There's a lot of there. I would say 80% of the time I'm using IFVG. The other 20% I'm using order block and FVG. For example, if we get FVG here and price turn this bearish FVG into IFVG, into a valid IFVG, sometimes price will retrace back to the FVG. Then I will enter with that FVG. Or maybe I will scale in one more contract there. You done for the day? I done for the... But like, I just... Man, can I close the stream that early? No, I will stay for a while. Maybe we get something nice, right? I mean, if I close the stream right now, I will get like less view. I have to stream for more. Do you still fucking hate breakers? Not fucking hate, I just... Like, ICT taught us everyone should use different PD arrays. Because like, for example, for me, I spot IFVG, like it take me only 0.1 seconds to spot the IFVG, or VI, or order block, or FVG. But for me to find a breaker block, which I'm confident with and this is valid breaker rod, it takes me some time. I don't know why. I don't understand the reason. I'm probably just not good at it. So in that case, that is not my PD area because I find so hard to find a valid breaker rod. So that is not my PD area. But if you are the opposite, you use 0.1 second and then you can find a breaker rod, then this is your PD area. So everyone is different. Oh, Dodgy, I'm actually in his Discord for I think over 1 year. I mean, he's a very funny live streamer because I don't know what you think, but like when I'm watching live stream, I'm not trying to copy other people's chase. Sometimes I actually take opposite chase with them, but trading is so boring. And if you get something fun for entertainment to watch, it's great. And those are traders, not just some random live streamers. And we are trading similar concept, also using IFUG, also using ICT concept. So I'll say it's good. But I know we shouldn't talk we shouldn't talk about people behind their back. But it's a compliment, right? It's a compliment. I'm saying he's a good live streamer, so it's a compliment. Oh, come on. See? People are just turning off the stream after this trade. After copying my chase, they all turn off the stream. But this is the kind of trade that I would love to take in London session. Like not the high resistance liquidity one. If you remember, sometimes we probably stuck in within 30 points for 1 hour, right? For this trade, it's 15 minutes, right? 20 minutes, which is good. 20 minutes to our final TP. This is perfect for London session. If they turn it on, at least hit the like first. They won't. They probably are just haters. I know there's a lot of haters out there just want to copy my chase. And most of them are from Hong Kong, That's the most funny thing. So they're out there talking shit about me, but come to my stream and copy my chase. So funny. Isn't stack FVG considered high resistance liquidity? No. Is that it? I've never learned about it. I don't think so. I wouldn't say a PD array will make high resistance. High resistance liquidity is more like the whole market condition. Maybe for example, session before CPI, session before NFP, FOMC, or price is waiting for something, so it keep on creating liquidity. So that is when price will create some high resistance. So it's not about a PD area. Oh, Ash. Oh, Ash, you missed our W. Did you just come to the stream right now? Oh, I think you're on vacation, isn't it? Right now we are having bearish SMT again with ES, but we sweep this high too. you find the stream very helpful, thank you. Please click the like button if you like it. And also, if you ever buy any platforms, don't forget to use my code Candy and Candice for Take Profit Trader. It would be a great support if you find my stream is helpful and valuable. Who are Legends platform? Legends, they're actually. Oh, I think I shouldn't talk about that. But yeah, it's okay. It's not the best. It's okay, you know. Do you still use TPD? Yes, I'm still using TPD. Of course. But I got to admit that I don't trade port firms very often now. But I did trade them, but like, I'm not trading very aggressive there because of the rules. Like, I mean, like, I can make more money on trading my personal capital right now because I accumulated enough capital to trade my own account. But of course, you don't have to risk that much on trading funded account. So I will still trade. And sometimes when you feel like you're on tilt, like I feel like I'm not confident about my trades anymore, then I will go back to funded accounts because that is the time that I should lower my risk and lower my leverage. So if I on tilt again, what I brought up will only be on funded account. I'm not gonna blow up my personal. So if I feel like I'm tilted, I will go to my funded account and take some trades. Right? If I'm winning, I will win on the funded. If I blow up, I will only blow up funded. So like it's just like before trading personal capital, I was using eval to do something like that. So I feel like it's not the time to trade funded account. Then I will buy a new eval and trade on it. So whatever happened, I blow up or I pass it, it's all eval stage. So right now I just switch to trade personal capital. So when I feel like I need to like lower my risk, I will switch back to funded account. It's just the same thing. So when you guys trading funded account, you feel like this is not the day, you should keep on trading, but you still want to take trades, right? We are addictive to trading, actually. I am. I mean, then you should just buy a more affordable eval, maybe Apex, because sometimes it's so cheap, right? $30. So you buy an eval and trade on it. So it won't affect your funded capital. You won't blow up your funded account, but you can still trade. And if you win, you can still pass that eval. So it's not like completely paper trading. You can still get some reward from trading that account. You should trade SPX options. I'm not good at trading options. Just be honest, I'm not good at trading options. I lose a lot of money on options. I mean, I got some W, but I also lose. I feel like I lose more compared to the W. Yeah, I'm just not good at trading options. I don't have enough knowledge on options because it's very different thing, right? Compared to stocks, compared to CFD, and any other assets. So I think it's not my thing. And we got someone very good at trading options in our community. It's called Jack G Deal. So he's a ex prop firm trader, like a real prop firm desk, not online prop firm. He was working on the prop firm desk in Australia. So right now he quit his job because he wanted to take care of his family. So he only trades these online prop firms, but he's very good at trading options and bonds. So if you have any questions, you can ask him in the chat in the Discord and tag him. Alright, I think today we probably got a shorter stream. Like since I'm already done. But we still need more likes to get to the giveaway. Can we get to 120 likes? I mean, we got 281 people watching the stream. Can we get to 120 likes so we can start the giveaway? What do you think? What do you think, chat? It's Lucid. Okay, I got a Lucid account prepared. It's a 50k flex account from Lucid. So if we can get to 120 likes before I close the stream, okay? If I'm too exhausted, I will just close the stream. One more trade. I need to find a proper setup first. Right now, I didn't see anything very attractive at the moment. You need to make more emails to like the stream. It's good, it's good. So I feel like if I start the stream earlier, it's better, right? Because sometimes there's some good move, some good setup just at the beginning of the London Q zone. So if I didn't get ready when the stream start, then I can get in. Oh, Miss K, hello, good morning. I don't know, I mean, like, is it too early for some of you? Because if, for example, if you're living in UK, it's 2 a.m. Eastern time, it's 7 a.m., which is so early, right? Oh my god, it's 1:45 a.m. in your local time. Where are you from? 1:45 a.m. I don't know. Miss K. Do you always enter trade after 2 a.m.? Yes, because I trade the London Q zone, which is start at 2 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, I try to, like, before setting this rule for myself, I try to enter before 2 a.m., which is disaster. Like, I keep on getting stop out just to see price going to my direction after stopping me out. So I know, oh my god, I have to wait for 2 a.m. But like, I know recently Asia sessions is kind of different compared to like last year or like a few years before. So, you know, I won't say you can trade Asia session anymore. I just don't trade because like I don't like trading it. Because if I have to choose two sessions, I would definitely choose London and New York session, right? So, and I don't want to trade 3 sessions. I would be like, I would die. I would die. I would die if I trade 3 sessions. All right, no way. I mean, I'm not 21. Okay, I can't do that. I just can't. My stream's always buffering. Hey, that is definitely your internet, okay? That's definitely your internet. Because my Wi-Fi is totally fine here. Are you still living in Dubai? Yes. Dubai is great. It's awesome. It's safe, chat. No worries. The war is totally fine. I mean, it's not that dangerous. I know sometimes when you see those like missiles on the news, it looks horrible, but like it's not the case here in Dubai. Everyone is still going to the club, going to the beach, and shopping mall is so crowded. I feel like everything is normal. Oh yeah, and I heard that the heat wave in France is crazy. Are you guys alright? Like from the Euro? I think it's because the aircon problem, right? Because you don't have aircon everywhere. So even though like 40 degrees Celsius probably not that hot for us who live in Middle East or Asia because we get used to it. And also we got aircon everywhere. So when we go outside it's 40 degrees Celsius, but we stay probably 1 and 2 hours and we can go back to indoor with gray aircon. So we will think like 40 degrees is okay. But if you have to stay with 40 degrees Celsius all day long, like 24 hours, I think that's different. I think that would be, oh my god, that would be huge. Are you guys okay? Because I heard that all the aircons and the fans are sold out. I mean, I actually see someone asking for help for those like those living in Asia to send them some aircons. This is crazy. What should you learn? ICT well, first SMC is actually part of ICT, so you can consider it like pretty much the same because like SMC is actually someone who learned ICT and then go out to teach some of the traders, but that person didn't understand the whole picture of ICT concepts, so it only captures some of it. So if you actually want to learn SMC, I would say you rather just learn ICT because that was like my path. I first discovered SMC, which I think is good, but if I feel like something is missing, and turns out it's actually just a small part of ICT concepts. So you can just learn ICT. Order flow, I have no idea. I've never learned order flow before. Never. So I have no idea. Have you considered moving to Bali? Why? Why? No. No. What is my biggest payout? Seriously? Go to my Twitter and see my pinned tweet and you will find it. So my Twitter is like Candy the Trader. Also for my Instagram. I'm trying to post more on my Instagram. I know I'm not posting anything, but like I don't even know what should I post on the Instagram. I don't want to post chase on the Instagram. It's so lame. I mean, like, man, Instagram should be posting some like pretty pictures, isn't it? Pretty photos. I want to post chase or charts on Instagram. That's so weird. I just don't. I mean, no offense to other traders. I'm just saying, I have my own preference. Oh yeah. Is your strategy always same since you start learning ICT? I'm still trading ICT concept, but I switched from trading silver bullet to 2022 model to turtle soup model, and I customize it with my own risk tolerance and to fit in my personality. Yeah. So I would say it's the combination of these three, but I didn't trade MMXM because like MMXM is kind of trading the second leg of the distribution, and also it require holding it for a larger range, which if you can see me, I don't hold for a larger range. I want to close the trade as soon as I can. I want to end the trading day as soon as I can, like one shot, one kill. So I feel like MMXM is probably not the thing that I'm looking for. It's just not suitable for my lifestyle. So yeah, it's not like it's not a good trading strategy. You have to find something that is suitable for you, which I think there must be something that you find good with the ICT concepts. You can't get big payouts on Apex anymore. Which company do you recommend? Take Profit Trader. For real, if you are aiming for big payouts, I mean it. It's gonna be Take Profit Trader. I mean, I think you guys know who is Lanto, right? He got his huge payout from Take Profit Trader. They don't have payout cap, and you can take your payout every day. So if you make a large profit today, you can take it out tomorrow. So you don't have to worry you go on till or something like that. And there's no payout cap. That's the problem, right? There's a lot of platforms out there have payout cap, but they don't have it. Oh, we are still just a little bit away from 120 likes. Can we get into 120? Before 3 a.m. Can we get it? Michael will make new YouTube channel? Really? Why? I didn't watch his videos lately. I mean, I want to watch it, just I don't have time yet, okay? It's not like, because I know some traders said they no longer watch Michael's videos, but I actually want to watch it, but I don't have time. How do you manage the buffer in TPT? So when you get into the pro account, there will be intraday trailing. So you either use scalping or you full pot to get to the low resistance liquidity one. So if you can't afford to lose the account, then you should use scalping, because you get lower probability to blow up that pro account. And if you can afford to lose that account, you should use the full pot with LLL. Then you can pass the buffer. It's only $2,000. You can definitely do that. Like for 50K. It's not that hard, right? And I know some haters out there saying that I'm telling people to make a trade with $2,000. That is insane. I don't understand, man. I already made $1,800 with this trade. So is that so hard to get into 2,000? No, of course not. No, it's not that. Is that 3 a.m. now? We will see what happened with this candlestick. How can you control the FOMO? I can. Did you watch my short? One of my short is exactly showing how FOMO I was at that time. And when I can't control my FOMO, so I can control my stop loss, my risk. So when I get FOMO and I got a losing trade, I got stop out, that tight stop out is what I have to pay for it. And I won't blow up the account even if I get FOMO, because I got a tight stop loss. And everyone will tilt it, like everyone, even including JCap. Wait, JCap he posted something about he's still on till like nowadays. So if someone like him, such a great trader, will be on till, will I tilt it? Will you? Of course we will. Just make sure you have calculated with every trade. So even if you're tilted, you'll be fine. What? My English sucks. You know, when I watch the replay, I don't even want to hear what I'm saying because like my English sounds so weird with heavy accent, and you know. All right, that's 3 a.m. now. Finally. So for those who want to participate on the giveaway, you have to join my Discord first. What TPT account is your favorite? I would say just use 50k at first, because I was using 50k when I first trading with TPT. Right now I'm using 150k, but I mean, if this is like the first time that you use TPT or you don't have consistent payout from performance, just use 50k. That's enough. Okay, I just post the link in the giveaway channel. Oh my god, once again, MNO is doing its thing. But yeah, it's going too low, man. Let me take a look. Okay, it's actually not bad. It's actually not bad. Yeah, 50k's got the best profit to Jordan ratio. Damn K. No, 25k is the Jordan is crazy. I don't recommend 25k. Like, I don't recommend 25K on any prop firms. Like, for real. 50K, that is like... And, I mean, you can afford 50K account, isn't it? Yes, but like, you have to change Michaels. You have to be. Okay, this is not a valid IFUG, alright? So this idea is not valid anymore. This is like, is this a CB? This is a bearish IFUG. I mean, it's 1-to-1 for the ratio, but like, how about the payout cap? Like, seriously. And after you pass the eval, you have to trade the funded account, and the drawdown will stay the same, right? Nah. Oh, but like, as you like, you know, everyone got different risk tolerance, so I can make the decision for you, but I wouldn't recommend it. Wait. This is like... Well, I didn't see anyone posting chats. No one take that shade? Only me? Let me take a look on the vote. How's your London session today? 50% green, 30% red, 40% no chase. What happened with that 12% red? How come? How come you red? How come? I mean, I can understand if you didn't take chase, but why? Why are you red? What happened? What happened? Did you hatch with me? I mean, the only way to get a word today is you hatch with me. I'm not taking this shade, just so you know. I am done for the day already. Done for the session. Done for the London session. I'm just measuring if I get in, like, where should I take parcel and what's the risk reward ratio. I told you so many times not to take. Well, still not a valid IFVG. Okay, remember valid IFVG, what we require is candle body close above or below it, which right now we're closing inside, so it's not valid. I mean, of course, you can take an aggressive trade, like without waiting for the candlestick to close, but like you have to understand that you're risking more for those aggressive entry. I mean, if I told you to take the trade with me, then I would go to jail. Okay, you don't want me to go to jail, right? So what? You have to understand that I have to say something like that. Don't copy my trades, as always. Okay, is everyone finished filling the form for giveaway? Because I'm about to close the form. If everyone's done filling in, cool. Okay, I'm closing it now. You guys really love Lucid because I was like, we got a lot more people joining the giveaway compared to Aqua Futures. Wow, this like it just keep on getting this thing here. It looks like a trap to me, to be honest, because it shouldn't be consolidating for such a long time here. How come you guys didn't fill in the form? I've been putting it for like 10 minutes. Cool. Let's do it. What do you think, chat? You ready? Your favorite duck race? Your favorite duck race? Okay. Let's start. Who's that? Lies Keenly. Are you here? Okay, I saw it. Okay. Congratulations. To claim the prize, please submit a support ticket in Discord. So for other people, no worries. We will still have giveaway for the coming stream. So yeah. Did anyone take this Che? I'll wait for this Che to end. I mean, I didn't take it obviously because I'm done for the session. I want to see like how's the Che going. I would say maybe you should take Paso here. So maybe 1 to 1.6 if you take Paso here. Just for the record, I'm not in that chain. Okay, you know that, right? Because it's not showing open position here. Yes, use code candy, please. Thank you. You're on this long. Good, good. So I hope those in red, you guys can turn your account balance into green, or at least into break even today. This is a bad idea. What bad idea? $150K account. So if you can afford a $150K account, just like in case you're a beginner, if you're already getting consistent payout from those 50K account and now you can afford more, yes, it's the time to go to 150K because you will get more buffer for your drawdown, also more payout cap. So if you want to make more money, want to dream bigger, then yes, your next step after 50K should be 150K. And I would say just go with Shadify and Apex and, you know, lose it first. Because TPT 150K account, right now they changed the rules. Before that, if you reset your account, no matter what account size, it's only $100. But right now, each account size have different price for reset. So if you reset a 150K account, it's quite expensive compared to what it used to be. So I think you will just get consistently payout from Shadify and Lucy first, I would say. Because before they changed the price, I would definitely say TPT, but because they increased the price, so you have to consider the cost. Because for prop firm, the whole game plan will be calculate how much you spend on the prop firm, how much profit you take from prop firm, right? So as long as you're making a lot more than what you spend on those prop firms, even though if you blow up some accounts, it's alright. You know, you don't have to care about what those trash talker talking about. Oh my god, that person blow up so many accounts. Candice blow up so many accounts. This is prop firm. If I don't blow up accounts on prop firm, I'm not taking advantage of the whole prop firm industry. I'm crazy. If you want to play this game, you have to understand the rules, and you know you have to make a game plan before playing the game. Which blowing up account is part of the game. And if you want to stay conservative, probably shouldn't Che. I would say if you want to be so conservative, you probably just work for a full-time job for the rest of your life. I mean it. I mean it. You have to understand the whole trading industry, the whole platform industry is about risk, calculated risk. Okay, so if you're not willing to take those risks, then why are you trading? You should just, invest on some ETF, or isn't it? Just buy QQQ for the rest of your life and work for another full-time job. You'll be fine. You can still make money without trading, right? This is called like position trading or investment. If you just buy ETF, it's not like you have to trade. If you feel like that is too aggressive, like blowing up accounts on prop firm is too aggressive for you, then you shouldn't trade. It's just not for you. It's not for your personality. It's not like you didn't have that ability to trade. It's like it's kind of contradicting with your personality. So you have to be someone that is willing to take those risks. But this probably a break-even trade. If you're here, probably should, push your trade to break even right now because it retrades a lot. I think it actually touched the midpoint of the species, right? So if I were you, I will take my stop loss to break even. Prop firm is like casino. It's similar. It's similar. Have you ever tried Lilu? No, never tried. But it's been there for a few years, right? I heard about this prop firm before, but I never tried. Do you play poker? I'm suck at poker. I don't know why. I always lose money when I'm playing poker. Have you tried Lucid? Seriously? Seriously, what kind of question is that? Yes, I did. So if you, push your stop loss to break even, it should be a risk-free trade for you. The wick on C is so accurate. Yes, exactly. That is ICT concept, okay? This is how precise ICT concept is. And also, like, the reason why I don't take the second trade after W is like, if you ever watch any of my live stream, you will realize I only take few trades when I keep on losing because I want to cover my losses, right? But if I take W, I usually just stop for at least that session. But I can tape read, of course I can tape read, and I'm those kind of people that I'm okay with leaving profit on the table. So I won't say, oh my god, I regret I didn't take this trade. I won't regret. I'm just alright. I'm alright with that. But if you're that kind of person, then you should probably take more trades. So you have to know yourself. For me, I try to take more trades because like we got that, what was the name? Grand Cup from Tradify, right? And you can only trade one contract, and that is a competition. You can't do something like one shot, one kill. You have to keep on taking many trades in order to get into like the top 1,000. So I try to do it. I mean, it's a free account, right, for the competition, for the Grand Cup. And wow, this is so contradicting with my personality and my trading approach. And with that forward test, I know this is definitely not something that is like fitting in with my strategy. I just can't keep on taking trades. It's ruining my trading psychology. So yeah, so I will only take, if I get a W on that session, I will just stop for that session. But it's not like you can't do it. You have to understand like what kind of person you are before changing your trading approach. Yes, if I keep on taking trades, it's like a never-ending loop. Oh my god, it just swept this high. Take partial, chat, please. Take partial. I mean, even me, I take partial today. So of course you should take partial, right? If me, like someone like me, taking partial, you definitely need to take partial. I'm so greedy, and as a person like me, greedy that much, that I take partial today. So you have to. So since this is you take partial, you push your stop loss to break even. Maybe you can trail your stop loss here. It depends on you. It's a W for you, for sure. So for those who got 10% red today, like there's 10% of the chat voted red for London session today, right? You should be green right now. You should be green. MNQ did not take that high. So that's why you always need to annotate your chart on NQ. You should, do your chart analysis on NQ instead of MNQ. You should close your trade. I mean, at least partial, right? You should take like half off. When you start trading pop, 2022. I think my first evaluation, my first challenge account, back then it was called challenge account, is FTMO, and then it's MFF and TFT, and obviously I borrow up all those accounts. I mean, like first, I'm not good at what I was doing. I just discovered ICT in 2022, and it's the first time I trade with prop firms. So yeah, I bought up so many accounts before getting my first payout. I'm so boring right now. Alright, I think that's it for today. I don't even know what I'm waiting for. Yeah, I was tape reading, but I'm not in a trade. I mean, like, No. I'll just like, and if you take partial, you get W already, so just left the runner. What do you think? Let me take a look on this week. We got NFP this week, right? NFP. Yes, bank holiday, NFP. Oh my god, Fed Chairman Walsh speaks. Cool. So yeah, we'll stream tomorrow. We'll stream tomorrow. Yep. So how's it today? You got 2W. If you take the second share, you got 2W today. Isn't it good? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy the stream. Also, you can use my code Candy with Tradify, Apex, Lucid, and Aqua Futures. Also, code Candies for Take Profit Trader, which is like these are the accounts that I'm currently trading with. Not Apex, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not trading with Apex anymore because I can. But like, yeah, those are the accounts those are the platforms that I'm actively trading with. So I hope you can get your final TP for this trade though. I'll see you all tomorrow. What do you think? We'll start the stream at 2 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow too. Thank you for tuning in today. It's time for me to have some breakfast. So goodbye.